Howdy ho, mofos. Look, I'm surrounded by cooking fucking machines. There you go. And this guy. Cheers, big ears.
Cheers.
Woo! RTFO. We got something on the cooker. Ribs.
Let's have a look. What we got
There you
going
go.
down?
Hey,
We got GB rub on this one here.
Nice.
We got some Cosmos Q on these.
awesome. They look good. Nice. When they go on?
About 45 minutes ago.
Right on.
Almost time to start spritzing.
Good, good. It's almost time to start drinking. Whee! Can't drink too much. Got to ride home. All right. That's what I'm doing on a Sunday. Recovering from the potato festival. All right. Okay, mofos. I'm doing something I shouldn't do. I'm opening a barbecue. It ain't mine. Look at all this goodness. Mmm, yummy. I gotta close it before he comes back. He doesn't know I'm doing this. RTFO, mofos. Paul's Q. Woo!